filming. Watch out, your finger's in the way.
Oh.
Let's walk downstairs with that. Tell people about what you see in there as you go downstairs.
I see a light.
Yeah. You're gonna take a step. Watch out. Hello? Yeah, hi. You filming? Yeah, I spoke to them and they said to try you guys first. It's not that they can produce them. Yeah. Alright, well thanks a lot for checking. You too. Bye-bye. So who's that, honey? Who's that?
What?
Right here, who's this that you're touching?
My horse.
We'll show them your horse in here. Filming a movie.
Uh-huh.
Tell them about what they're seeing.
I don't want to.
You know what? What's all that stuff? Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Look. It's showing all the blue.
Purple top. Don't get too close to it.
Why?
Because it won't come out right. Alright. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Whoa, almost dropped it.